MustangMedic, and we're gonna have a good time with people, with cars, and with America. Enjoy. Let's go. Now. That was awesome. There you go. There you go. It's a Charger, right? Charger? Challenger? Here's a Challenger over here. It looks like a discotheque, and he's got a lot of lights flashing around his SRT. This is Osmo in the dark at the car show. So we're gonna check out what we got. Look at this little puppy right here. Look at this. Eh? Eh? That's a beauty. That's a beauty. I like Corvettes. Here's a beauty out here in the rain. Looking good in orange. I drove one of those cars with Danny. He's got one, white. And we drove it around Palm Desert. We had such a good time, we got lost in our own town. Here's another classic. Pretty nice. Oh, here's a rat rod. That's called patina right there. That's patina all over that car.
See, it's all right.
It's real. Yeah, it's a real car there. That's not wearing some. That's not wearing some fake. Yeah, it's not wearing some fake coat of paint. That's all real rust, Jersey rust.
And a child sitting there. He's all right.
He's got an Easypass in that thing. Oh, that's a driver. That's a driver rat rod. Oh, wait a minute. Here's a Mustang. Sorry, guys. I got lost in rat rod world. There's the Mustang. This thing is a driver, guys. It's a rusty driver. I'm having a hard time seeing with this small screen. I hope I'm catching everything. Corvette. There's Rich.
Let's walk around now.
Yeah. I like rat rods. They're really growing on me like rust.